Miss the classic Windows Start menu. If you prefer the familiar look from older versions of Windows, OpenShell makes it easy to restore a traditional Start menu while giving you plenty of customization options. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to restore the classic Start menu with OpenShell in 2026. First, make sure OpenShell is already installed on your computer. If you haven't installed it yet, download and install the latest version before continuing with the setup. Launch OpenShell menu settings from the Start menu. When the settings window opens, you'll see several options for changing the appearance and behavior of your Start menu. Next, select the Start menu style you prefer. You can choose a classic single-column layout, a classic two-column layout, or the Windows 7 style menu. Yeah, you can preview each option before applying it. Now open the Skin tab to customize the appearance. You can choose different themes, adjust colors, replace the Start button, and personalize the menu to match your preferred Windows style. Click OK or Apply to save your settings. Then open the Start menu to see your new classic layout. If something doesn't look right, you can always return to the settings and make additional adjustments. Finally, explore the remaining settings to customize menu items, search behavior, shutdown options, and shortcuts. OpenShell gives you plenty of flexibility, so you can make the Start menu work exactly the way you want. And that's how to restore the classic Start menu with OpenShell in 2026. Your Windows Start menu should now have a familiar look while still giving you modern customization options. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.